So it's January 5th, day 5, and I've kind of let my the weeds in my front yard go a little crazy because it's been raining every day. So today's workout is going to be pulling weeds. So I actually enjoy working in the yard, doing yard work. I mean, this is a lot that I have to do, but I enjoy doing yard work because I think it's one of the best exercises. And the ground is soft right now, so all these weeds are just pulling out real nicely from the root. You can see. But I have a lot to cover. I pulled some in the front earlier on the other side of the yard before it rained about 2 weeks ago. But when I didn't have enough time to get them all, but by the time I finished with those, it rained, and then these all grew. So yeah, I just gotta take care of all of these weeds here. See how many I can pull. I notice when I do yard work, it's kind of like getting squats in. I'm squatting and pulling the weeds, and it's a really good exercise. So that's what I'm doing right now. Getting my exercise in, my arms and legs. Let's see how much of a dent I can make if I just pull for at least 20 minutes straight. So far, like I said, it's been raining every single day, which is awesome. We need the rain. But when you slow down like me, I think I'm tired from my runs. Not tired, but my spine is feeling a little bit, see, that's better. My spine's a bit exhausted after those runs I've been doing. Been pretty consistent with them. Once I'm done here, maybe a little bit later, see, the sun's out today, so maybe a little later today I can get another little exercise in. Even if it's just one of those slow walks, I'll be happy. See how I feel after I do all this. There's a lot to do. But if I do it little by little, it goes faster than you think. I've already made a big dent right here, if you notice. These are little baby ones. But I want to tackle this big area right here. This is a lot. Yeah, so like I said, I think yard work is one of the best exercises. You're really using all your muscles, especially pulling weeds. I notice when I'm done, the next couple days, my legs up here, I don't know if those are your hamstrings, but those are really sore. I get a really good workout. So hopefully, I know today I'm gonna have a good workout from this. This is a lot. I'm not sure if it'll rain again later tonight and tomorrow, but if I could do this again tomorrow, wherever I leave off today, that would be a good workout too. So I'm just gonna get to work. Hope you guys are having a good day. Staying busy or resting, sometimes resting. See that little wormy? See that little earthworm? Little earthworm. See that guy? He's happy in this ground right here. All right, so this is what I cleared up right here. I still got a lot to do, but that's a good start. Well, that's a great start. Hope you guys are having a great day. Stay positive. See you next time. Oh, that was a good workout. So I'm back home. I'm back inside with Riley Boo. I don't know if you guys heard her, but she was making little barking sounds while I was outside pulling the weeds. Hi, Riley. Here she is. Hi, Riley. Hi. Ooh, that was a good workout. I'm like, need to go jump in the shower. That was almost, feels like more of a workout than my runs have been. There's little Riley. She wanted to help me pull weeds today, but it was real muddy out there, so I didn't bring her out there with me already. Riley Boo. But it is a nice day. The sun's been out all day, so maybe I'll make another short video with me and Riley out. Stay tuned.